In this try it exercise, we're looking at simplifying, in this case, numbers that are taken to a rational exponent. And we do that by using the rules that we have this entire section, that a to the 1 over n equals the nth root of a, and a to the negative n equals 1 over a to the n. We simply move the value with the exponent to the denominator and change the sign to positive when we have a negative exponent. So with our first problem, problem A, we have 27 to the 2/3. So let's go ahead and write this as a radical expression. The denominator of the rational exponent is going to be the root. So we know we're going to be taking the cube root of 27 squared. Well, the cube root of 27 is simply 3. So this is going to be 3 squared. It's always good to keep it in parentheses just in case there is a negative. It's a good habit, so you don't lose the negative sign. In this case, there is no negative, so it's just 3 squared, which equals 9. Now also, if you notice, we could have done this. It's just as mathematically sound to say that this is the cube root of 27 squared. Which equals the cube root of 27 times the cube root of 27, which equals 3 times 3, which equals 9. It's just a lot quicker to go this route since it's a perfect cube. Now in part B, we have to deal with a negative exponent. So our first step is to use the second property, a to the negative n equals 1 over a to the n, to rewrite this as 1 over 81 to the 3 halves. And now we'll write that as a radical expression in the denominator. So it's the square root, because our denominator is 2, that's our root, the square root of 81 cubed. Well, the square root of 81 is 9, so we have 1 over 9 cubed, which equals 1 over 729. Finally, with part C, we do have another negative exponent, so our first step is to use that second property with negative exponents. 16 to the negative 3/4 is the same as 1 over 16 to the 3/4. Our root is 4, since that's the denominator of the rational exponent, so this is 1 over the 4th root of 16, and that's being cubed. Well, the 4th root of 16 is simply 2, because 2 to the 4th equals 16, so this equals 1 over 2 cubed, which equals 1/8.